Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are going to show you how to link bank account on Wise. This one is going to be actually pretty easy. You just need to go to a specific setting for you to actually link your bank on Wise. Let's get started. Now, first thing you want to do here is you want to go to Wise and log in into account. Now, once logged in, you need to look for your name or for your initials at the top right. Now, from here, you'll have the option to see statements and reports, settings, help center, and log out. What we need to do here is we want to go to settings. Now, under settings, you will see a few things here, but what we're looking for is the connected account. Just click on that. From here, you'll see the bank account option. Now, for you to link your bank, just click on connect your bank account. From here, you'll have the option for United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. Currently, other countries are not supported, so only these countries will be able to connect our bank. Let's just say we want to use United States. Now from here, we have the option to manual verification or instant verification. For now, let's just go to manual verification. Now, here you need to enter your routing number as well as your account number and the type of account that you want to connect. If you have a savings, make sure that you use savings. Or if you have a checking, make sure that you use checking. Now, from here, you could also have or add a nickname for your account if you want to, but this is only optional. Now, from here, you just need to click on confirm and continue with the process. And that's about it. You just need to wait for the manual verification of account to be able to link it. So hopefully, this video is able to help you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.